Watch how the tip of the fence stays exactly at the blade as the fence is rotated 45 degrees, preventing tear out as the blade exits the work. This is what allows the user to set a stop using the built-in measuring scale, and the dimension will be accurate for every angle. We'll make a picture frame from molded stock with the sled made to fit a DeWalt 8 1/4 inch table saw. First, cut all pieces to final lengths at 90 degrees using the flip stop and built-in measuring scale. Next, rotate the fence to 45 degrees. The angle scale is graduated in half-degree increments, allowing easy discernment of a tenth of a degree. After cutting all the first ends at 45 degrees, the fence is moved to the front position. This takes about 30 seconds. Then the fence is rotated to minus 45 degrees, and a mitered stop block is added to the flip stop. This serves as an index from the insides of the miters. To use the measuring scale with this stop block, simply subtract 1 inch from the inside dimensions of the frame. All the pieces are cut at this minus 45 degree setting. The result is a clean frame with perfect angles and no chipping. For extra short work, a cutoff platform is installed with its own measuring scale and stop block. This allows very short pieces to be cut cleanly and repetitively with no danger of kickback. The sled can also be made much larger for use on a cabinet saw. It can be made large enough to support 24-inch wide panels for cross-cutting with a cabinet saw, safely, cleanly, and absolutely square. Making the fence from standard aluminum extrusions allows mounting the flip stop, the sacrificial fence tip, and the measuring scale, and coupling the extrusion with a similar or even longer piece to create crosscut length as long as you'd like. The geometry behind the magic of the fence tip self-adjusting as it rotates is that the fence pivots on a precisely machined arc-shaped quadrant that slides inside an arc-shaped groove. All of the grooves in the sled and the arc-shaped male quadrant can be cut with a plunge router using a simple modified circle jig. CNC precision can be achieved by anyone with a plunge router and the ability to read a steel ruler. The best crosscut sled in the world can be one you build yourself.